Hey guys, welcome to a new video of Bitcoin Edge. Today we'll take another look into the charts and handle some small news. UNI news, we'll take a look into the chart later on. Supposedly very bullish, and the chart popped on it as well. If it's still a buy, well, we'll find out in a bit. Some FTX news. FTX is working hard to allow sports betting, and that has consequences, of course, for the FTT coin as well. So we'll take a look into that as well. And now some crypto.com news. They're launching an NFT platform on March 26th. I don't know how I feel about the whole DeFi thing, but I don't know. It's big news that it is, but I don't know. Let me know what you guys think about that. S&P futures still up, still looking good. Dixie up. Not something we usually like. Usually quite bearish for the Nasdaq and S&P 500. Paul was live again, said some things. I'm not the right channel to comment on that. But yeah, I mean, it's all looking good, except gold. That's not looking so good. Closer look into the Dixie. Yeah, I mean, this is the exact levels we should reject on the weekly for the Dixie. But the Dixie looks kind of bullish over here and looks strong. Not something we like to see. Bitcoin over here. We broke down from this big trend line over here. I was saying that, I don't really remember when I said something about that. Yeah, this was the line 22 hours ago. I was commenting on this line, hoping for us to hold it. We didn't. I hope you guys didn't make too much of a loss on it. But yeah, what happened at the start of the dump, we saw fundings and premiums up again. And right now, as always, at bottoms, we see it come down. Exactly over here. So when fundings and discounts appear, it's usually a good moment to just put some money in. A small leveraged low usually. Right now, VPVR, big resistance over here on the 1 hour chart. I'm not sure how high we can bounce, but this was a very good play over here. For me at least. We can zoom in a little bit more and see where price is going next. Over here, you can see the resistance perfectly. We had a little bit of an inverse head and shoulders over here. Here's a line, left shoulder, right shoulder, head. And it popped up. I think we can go higher still, depending on a lot of factors, but I'm quite long. We do, however, have a lot of resistance here if you zoom out a little bit on a VPVR, but I'm still betting to the upside. We do have small premiums again on exchanges on Bybit and Bitmex, but I think we can move up higher. If you don't agree, let me know. I do not really want to talk about targets. I just think we go higher. We go at least to 58K. I think we have enough shorts to squeeze to go there. It's not really interesting over here. This is the top. This is, of course, on a daily, a big resistance as well. Daily so far looks good. Looks like a nice reversal coming. Ethereum. Ethereum broke this horizontal over here in the daily. We were looking at for a while. Let's zoom in a little bit. And weird. Kind of weird. They almost had equal lows while Bitcoin had this leg a lot lower. Resistance, you can clearly see it. It is around the 1720 level, 730, many bottoms over here. So going above that will be the goal for Ethereum now. And then this line will be resistance. So this horizontal will be resistance, this horizontal support, quite clear now as well. Some people are betting for lower lows, and that is why I am. It's kind of making me bullish, Leo, I mean, this daily structure, you know, is so bullish, higher lows all the way up. We're on the daily, but soon they will pop up again, and that leads to $3, I think. Just like they had over here. Higher highs, higher lows, and it will break, it will go up. Same for Leo. Leo is fundamentally quite bullish as well. CRV got listed on Coinbase, popped up on that, and target for me would be over here, 380. So that is that. Support, of course, the daily low and these highs over here. We're on the daily chart, so it is a big pop already, but target should remain over here. UNI, we had that news, of course. UNI is in this pattern. They popped up real quick on that news, and you know, as you can see, you know, it's almost a short already. But it would only be a short if they crack this trend line to the bottom for me. Other than that, it's a clear long. Break this trend line to the downside. It is a short. DOT, we've been looking at it for a couple days already. DOT is a clear buy over here. I do not know what's going on fundamentally or news-wise, but chart-wise, this is the buy spot for DOT over here. Cake broke out, looking good over here. Target should be around 15 over here, close to 15. Looking good. We want them to break this higher high, and then we see all-time highs. But now it is a long already. Stop should be over here, of course, and target around 15, just below it. FTT, we had the sports betting news, or like that sponsorship deal. You can see somebody market bought a lot of it, but it's looking good. It's looking quite good over here. Resistances, well, obviously there are some, but this would be a big resistance over here. And let me draw one over here, that one. Somebody market bought a lot, I think. Yeah, look at that. Nice. Yeah, and that's about it for today. I'm targeting upside for Bitcoin. This one will be resistance, and yeah, these levels as well in the 56k area. I'm targeting long. This, however, this trend line will be big resistance. Yeah, trade with caution. Trade your own method. Yeah, I'm kind of bullish on everything. CRV, the news hit. UNI, news hit. Yeah, and DOT, for me, from a technical analysis point, is really a big buy. Cake doing good as well. You can long it till, yeah, let's say 14 something. And FTT, yeah, the news hit. People, yeah, buy a bit too much and create liquidity to the downside. So it's not always good. And yeah, that's about it for today. Let me know what you guys think is gonna happen. Is the bull run over? Was this just a dip you had to buy? Let me know in the comments. See you guys again tomorrow, and make sure to subscribe.